Today, well, I'm hoping to go out on a ride today, but at the moment it's raining, it's miserable. So I've chosen to stay dry, if not a bit too hot. We have a tractor behind us, so it's probably going into this field here. Good boy. It doesn't look like one for customers. Yeah, it's because it's corn in this field, isn't it? So he's not going to go in here. Should we go to the left? Good boy. Can you see this big tractor coming? It's okay. Can you see this big tractor coming? Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Well done. Thank you so much. Good boy, Tinker. Well done. Good boy, Tinker. What do you think of all that? Well done. He was pretty good. He was good. Well done, Tinks. So did he have, he's got a slurry tank on his back?
Yeah. We call it a shit hole.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Richard's got blue ones.
Okay. We don't really want to test Tinker too much, and so now that they've cut the fields and they've baled all the hay and the straw, they'll be putting till down and they'll be spreading muck to get another crop out, I suppose, before September, something like that. Well, we're just going to have to hope that we don't come across any muck spreaders down this little lane. I call it the ouchie lane because it's got lots and lots of little stones. Ouch. This crop here looks like a combination of wildflowers and something else.
Yeah.
And here comes, right? I don't think that tractor will want to come down here. I was just looking at the crop because it's like wildflowers as well as something else. Yeah. Yeah. If you see that tractor down the road, I start to cry. Walk on by. Whee! It's walked on by. No, you're not eating anything, Tinks. Good boy. No, don't you be the naughty one. Don't you be the naughty one. Oh, sorry. Walk on by. Dion works in my head now. Very windy, isn't it? All the noise through the leaves. You're taking advantage. I want you to have a nice time, but not that good a nice time. Oh, butterfly. Tinker was just getting a stomp on. No, just he always he's got a good stride when he wants. Yeah. I thought cutting grass in the rain lifted up the roots. Piggy Wigs are there. Oh, this is like a wind tunnel. Yeah, it's windy, Tinker, isn't it? Yeah. I think we're probably due a shower with all this wind coming. He's walked that section without having an issue with something, though sometimes he sees the ponies coming around his corner. Let's just walk to the edge so we can see that there's no traffic coming. Yeah, it's been a lovely little toodle out, although it's been windy. Tinker came across the tractor, he coped with it really well. So apart from the wind, it's been fine. Nice little toodle out round the lanes.